Hey, let me show you the best way to get live wallpapers on your POCO X6. So in this case, I will recommend you to use the TikTok application. As default, this application is pre-installed on this phone. So you will have to open it, log in, for example, with your Google account, so you don't even have to create an account. And after this, you will have to go into the profile in the right bottom corner, then select three lines in the right upper corner, go to the settings and the privacy, and now keep scrolling until you find wallpaper. Click on it and now tap to find wallpapers. And as you can see from here, we can actually find a lot of different wallpapers. And let's say that I'm going to pick, let's find something cool. I'm gonna also decrease the volume. There we go. So maybe I can get this one. I have to click on this share button, and now from here I will have to select set as a wallpaper. Now click to install external plugin. Now will be moved automatically into the Play Store. We have to click to install this TikTok live wallpaper. Now we'll have to go back, and on this wallpaper just click on it one more time, tap to set as a wallpaper, and now set as a wallpaper on your lock screen or home screen. And now take a look. When I go back into the home screen, I can find this wallpaper on my screen. And that's all. If you are looking for some other videos into the POCO X6, just click on the description on this video and tap on the playlist below. Right now, please subscribe and see you in the next one.